Greetings. I'm recording a little video on how to export Greek verses out of accordance and make flashcards out of them. It's very simple. So let's suppose that I'm interested in memorizing the Greek words underlying the first 5 verses of John. I think that will be a large enough set. I'm looking for a set of about 20 flashcards, and so that'd be 20 new words. And so let's just do John 1:1 through John 1:5 and see how that works. And so I will go over to the Greek. Everything's got to be somewhere. There we go. And so I'll highlight those 5 verses. Okay. And then the very functional, very nice functionality in accordance is under Amplify and Languages. And I have parsing. Okay, lots of cool things down here, but parsing is the one that we need here. So we'll do parsing and we get the 5 verses there. And then we'll take that and these 5 verses and do Control All and select all of them. Okay, select all, and we'll go over here to File, Save Text Selection as Plain Text. All right, when we do this, we want to name it something that we can remember the name of, and we save the file at a place where we know how to get to it. So I'm saving it to test and onto my desktop, and I save that, and then I'll go over to the file. Okay, go over to the file on desktop and open it, and I'm going to open it with my spreadsheet program. Any spreadsheet program will work just fine, okay, but this is I'm using Excel, but any would work. Okay, and so what we are ending up with here is that we have the original Greek word in John, and this column A, and column B has the gloss, the dictionary form of the word. Then we have these details about how it appeared in John, which are irrelevant to us, and then we have the English definition over here. All right, so what we need is that we're wanting to save or have on our flashcards, we're wanting to have, we're not wanting this, so let me delete that. And it is possible that we want to work a little bit with the definition. This will be the word that we're memorizing here. So it's possible that you want to copy some of the information from here over to there. But for our purpose right now, you know, we'll just delete column A, which is the word that was in Greek, and so we'll delete that like that. Okay, so then we'll take the entire set and highlight it, column A through B. Okay, A and B, and so we highlight them all, and I'm sure you know how to do this if you're at all, we'll sort it. Okay, we've got them sorted, and that, let me just double check what we've got here, looks good. And then what we have is duplication. Okay, we have, you know, a lot of these words are duplicates. And so I've highlighted them, and then I'm going to show you a functionality under Data in Excel. But if you don't have this functionality, you would just go through and delete the duplicates. Just manually highlight all but the first one and delete it. But we can remove duplicates. This is especially helpful if you have a large stack. So we remove duplicates, and we want to look for duplicates in column A. And so we go remove duplicates, and that leaves us 24 unique words. Okay, so we'll highlight 24 unique words. That's just the right size for learning. We were going to learn those 24 words in theory, at least. We learn these words, we can read the first 5 or get started on the first 5 verses in John. So I'll copy those. Okay, copy those, and then um, the program I like to use. I'm not related to this company. It's just it's something I've found really helpful. Is a program called Cram. Okay, and you're seeing it. I've paid a little bit to keep from having commercials. The commercials are a pain in the neck, so I've paid the $18 for 6 months of commercial free. And so we're over in Cram. So go over it. So it's www.cram.com. We create a new set. This couldn't be simpler. Okay, and the title is John 1, 1 to 5. Okay, and subject is ancient Greek and John. Okay, and if you make it public so other people can benefit, why not? But whatever. And then we import a flashcard set. Okay, and you have all this stuff here, but you don't need to worry about that. You just take that baby and put it right down here and copy and paste your data, and you paste it, bam, and import the data, and you've got your flashcards there. Let's see, I think I'll click import the data now. All right, so now we have the flashcards. And if we wanted to work with them any and increase the font or anything of this sort, you can. Okay, so if you wanted to take the time of going through every one of them and go with change the font, you can do it that way. It depends a little bit on your sense of patience. Okay, I think I'm going to do that, so I'm going to pause the video a second and increase the font size on all of them. I wish I could set a default. Okay, I have gotten the format set a little bit larger, and I'll set it to bold. I think that's going to suit me better. I wish there was uh, a global way of doing that, but there's not. And so I've created these cards, and we create the set, and we're good to go. So now we can memorize. Okay, let's get this thing going. And we can see the card, and then we flip it and we see the definition. All right, and I have imported right here the iPhone app, and the cards automatically sync up. The cards in this deck here will automatically sync up into the iPhone app, and the iPhone app is actually probably the mechanical way to best sit there and work with it. I haven't looked at the Android app, but I think it will do what you want it to do. So thank you, and I hope this is helpful.